This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Beth Page. Attention investors or first-time home buyers. All brick, 3-bedroom, 1-bath home located on a corner lot. House needs some cosmetic updating. Roof is less than 4 years old, HVAC was replaced within the past 2 years, and water heater is newer. Plenty of storage with an additional room off of the primary bedroom. Close proximity to shopping and interstate. Being sold as is. For more information, review the details below or contact Beth Page at 865-687-1111.